friends, Miss Gadd again. Lesson 1-7, adding in any order. That's the lesson today. So let's look over here. We have 4 yellow cubes and 2 green cubes. And then down here, we see part of it's 2 again, and the other part's 4, just like up here. They've just been reversed. So yellow goes first, and then green first, and yellow next. Siegel says, you can write 2 number sentences. Okay, so let's try this together. Firstly, let's shade in 3. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't have to be perfect, just shade in it. Okay, you can do that with your pencil. So first, I have 3. Okay, how many did I not shade? How many are white? 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. How much is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now let's switcheroo. We already know there's 7. Okay, so we'll put 7. That's going to stay the same. The whole number is going to stay the same. What's going to change is the parts. So you see you shaded 3 at the bottom. Now let's shade 3 at the top. There's 3. Okay, so how many are at the bottom that are not shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. So see 4 went second. Now it's going first. 4. And then how many are shaded? Yep, there's still 3 shaded. So look, they just swap places. Like that. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Okay, so now I want you to do this on your own. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you know that's going to be the whole number. Look, that's the same. We can look and see. You know that's going to be 7. Shade in some and don't shade in the other, and then switch them. So I'll let you do that and turn that into your teacher. And let's go ahead and flip the page so we can read the story this week. Okay. This story is just like the beginning. It says you can change the order of the add-ins. You will see that the sum is the same. Here we have 4 cubes and 2 blue cubes. So red is first, 4 and 2 is 6. 4, 5, 6. Yes, it is. And then we'll put 2 first, changed orders, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, it's still 6. So these are our add-ins. Add-ins are just another name for parts. So our add-ins are 2 and 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6, shows this. And 2 plus 4 equals 6, shows this. Notice the sum, or the whole number, is still the same. You just flip them. All right, so let's come down and look at the guided practice. It says color to change the order of the add-ins, and then write the addition sentence. So you're going to get out orange and blue, and you're going to draw blue first and then orange. I'll do the same right now. All right, let me think about this. We have 3 orange and we have 4 blue. So now what we need to do is we need to swap it, and we need to have blue come first. And there's 4 of them. So I'm going to color in the first 4. 2, 3, 4. All right. And then what color will I use next, boys and girls? That's right, orange. And how many? 3. Okay, so now let me write my addition sentence. How many blues are there? That's right, there's 4 of them. And then how many orange? That's right, 3. So look, I just swapped them. Now I should still have 7 even though I swapped the parts. Let me prove it to you. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, indeed, I do. Okay, let's look at this problem. Okay. Now the cubes are vertical. They're going up and down. So let's look at this. We start with a purple, and then we have green. Let's find out how many in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is going to be our whole number. So you can go ahead and write 5 over here because it's the same. All right, now, how many purples do I have? That's right, 1. And how many greens? 4. All right, so you can come over here and draw this, just reverse it. So you started with purples, so what are you going to start with now? Good job if you said green. How many greens? That's right, 4. Okay, how many purples? That's right, 1. Okay, so green doesn't look like my green over there, but this is my green. So we're going to put 4 greens and 1 purple. 4, 5. Yes. All right. Very good. As always, we don't need to write an explanation for the do you understand? We just need to talk about it. And how can you use cubes to show that 3 and 5 is the same as 5 and 3? Well, you already did here. You swapped your parts. So 3 and 5, you'll draw maybe 3 blues and 5 reds, and then you'll swap them. Okay, and it'll still be 8, no matter which way you do it. All right, so let's go to the back. This is the independent practice that you're gonna do on your own. Let's look at the words. The words are order and add-in. Add-in is the part, and order is the way you put it. So let's do 2 plus 3 is 5. And this is 5 as well. And remember just to change the parts. If you want to draw a fun little line, you can. Okay, so you're going to do this for the rest. When you get down here, it's just going vertically. So you'll just swap them like this. 5 plus 4. Do you remember 4 and 5 is a way to make what? That's right, 9. Ah, same answer. Same sum. Okay, so I will let you do the rest on your own. And then we'll go to the word problems. Okay, Ed put 1 green cube in a box. Okay, and it'll help to draw a story here. So let's draw a box. And it said Ed put 1 green cube in a box. Remember, we can represent that with counters. Okay. And then it said, then he put 3 brown cubes in the box. Okay. So let me grab a brown. All right. So I'm going to put 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. The question is, how many cubes did Ed put in the box? So they want to find out what the whole number is. So let's put our parts here. How many greens? Let's do that one first. 1. How many browns? 3. How many is that? Plus 3 is 4. That's right. Swap your parts. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. All right, so let's look at the next one. It says, look at the 2 addition sentences. Oh, we're missing a part, and we're missing a part. Remember, the parts are before the equal sign. Okay, which is the missing add-in? Well, we can draw a part whole for this, can't we? Just a rectangle, the line going in the middle. We know in this whole thing, there's supposed to be 9. So let's make ourselves a little note. It's supposed to be 9. We know that there's how many on one side? That's right, 2. Let's count together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep going, 7, 8, and 9. So how many were in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7. Okay, so 2 and 7 were our parts. Okay, what's missing here? We have the 2, we have the 9. Oh, the 7 we're missing. Okay, so 7 is the answer. All right, the next one says draw a picture of 5 birds. What do we draw instead of birds? That's right, counters. Okay, I'm drawing that in pencil. All right, friends, what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw some that are blue and some that are red. You're gonna write an addition sentence with this. You know 5 goes there, that's my clue. Put the parts, okay? So color some of them blue and some of them red. All right, that's it for our math today.